Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing all the benefits of using a Jade Roller, and I'm going to show you how to use one. Okay, so what in the heck is a Jade Roller? It is this little fancy skincare tool that you've probably seen all over social media lately. Basically, it is just a quartz or jade stone roller, and some of them have two ends like this one does, a larger and a smaller one for smaller areas on your face. But basically, that is what it is. So it's basically this little roller skincare tool that has tons of skincare benefits. So the first thing I'll do is just go over the benefits of using a roller. So first thing might be an obvious one, is it reduces puffiness. So it's very cooling on the skin. You can even keep one of these in like a skincare fridge or in your regular fridge if you don't have a skincare fridge. The next skin benefit is that it stimulates the lymphatic system. So again, just creating that circulation and kind of waking up your skin. Another benefit that this is supposed to have is to brighten and tighten your skin. The reason that I really like it is like it's a massage for your face. It feels so good. My favorite time to use the Jade Roller is after I use my serum, so I will show you all of my favorite serums and the ones that I like to use it with. So the first one is an antioxidant serum. So this is going to boost your skin's radiance and protect you from environmental aggressors. It's also going to help fade discoloration from like acne scarring and things like that. That is the number one reason that I like it. It's helped fade so many of my acne scars and marks left over. The next serum is probably my all-time favorite. It's a hyaluronic moisture boost serum. This is for all skin types. It just creates a barrier of moisture on your face, locks in your moisture, boosts your skin's elasticity. It does so many things. Hyaluronic acid is amazing, so look it up if you aren't familiar with that. This is my favorite hyaluronic serum. And then the next serum that I use regularly is an anti-aging serum. It's the Age Limit Serum by Skin Resource MD. It's going to help reveal fresh skin by exfoliating like dead skin off. It's going to help with discoloration, wrinkles, fine lines, all signs of aging, and it also helps minimize your pore size. So this is one of my favorites as well. So after I use my serum, I just take my Jade Roller and I start from the middle and I just roll outward. I think I read that somewhere when I first got this and was looking into it, but it just feels so nice. You just roll a few times on each area, just rolling away, and you can use the smaller end for smaller areas like your chin like this, or you can use the big area or the big side all around. It's up to you. It just feels so good. And I can just feel it energizing my skin. It's seriously like a massage. It feels so good. And then you do your forehead. Feels so good. So cooling, so depuffing, energizing. It's amazing. You guys need to try this. Okay, and that is it. It's super easy to use. It takes like an extra 2 minutes maybe total to use one. So add one of these into your skincare routine and let me know how you like it. This one I got from TJ Maxx. It is probably like a $20 one. I feel like it was maybe $15 or $20. There are way more expensive ones, and there might be even some lesser expensive ones. I know you can get them on Amazon as well. Let me know if you guys have one of these and like it already, and let me know if you get one to try. Let me know if you have any questions on the serums I talked about, and thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good day. Bye.